In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off repeat alerts for Messages app notifications on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, head over to Settings, then scroll down until you find Messages. Then tap Add Notifications. Scroll down to the very bottom and tap Add Customize Notifications. You will be taken to that screen where at the very top you can easily find repeat alerts, and if we tap on it, we'll be able to configure that option. By default, it is set to twice, so if the message is not read within 2 minutes of getting it, you will get another sound notification. However, you can easily change that option. You can set it to, let's say, once or up to 10 times, and also you can turn off a repeat alert feature. Basically, guys, that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.